Okay, Thursday walkthrough. We got our post office mailboxes. Look at that, sexy black. Guest parking's gonna be right here. It's all pervious parking, so water can sip through it. Sort of drainage here. Curbs are done. Doing the second curb here. This is all done. So let's walk into our unit. Walking in through the garage. You can hang a nice your bicycle here, your motorcycle right here, your car goes in here. Mechanicals going into the unit. Okay, we're not gonna open this. More storage. Come on, Mike. Alright. Let's pause this. Is it okay if I come up or no? Can I come up? Okay, perfect. Alright, carpeting underway. Beautiful work. Thank you. Perfect. Alright, so we got our storage. We installed the shelving. Look at that kitchen. Got the backsplash installed. Lighting fixture installed. This is going to be slightly higher. Countertops you already seen. Plumbing. We're about done here. You're going to see the model unit in a couple of weeks. It's going to look amazing. Fridge is coming next week. Balcony rails have been installed. And on the outside, look at that. Wonderful. Perfect. So as you can see, we started siding on the 10 units as well. We already built one story, so the second story on the apartment building, and then we already are 75% of the third story floor here. Hey, Mike. So, nice. Dry storage, all your dry goods. Very good. Nice shelving here. Got the lighting installed. Beautiful. Accessories are installed. So we got this too. Yep. This is all, how do we call it? Polish
or what?
Polish
nickel?
Brushed nickel finishes on everything. So good quality stuff. Very nice. Perfect. All right, let's go up. See what's going on. The carpeting, the stairs, and the bedrooms. Is it okay if I come up?
Yeah.
Thank you. Great. Look at that. Wonderful. Carpeted. Can't hear a thing, huh?
No, it's nice.
Super nice, quiet. So I don't want to step on this. I'm just going to take off my shoes right here. Wow. Yep, this is a full-blown room. Got everything set with your shelving. Oh, your hanging shelves, everything. Man, this is nice. Gonna have a bed right here. 2 bedside cabinets. Extra storage right here. Can even throw a beanbag. Let's put it in the model unit. Let's do the same here. This is the master. Great. Great. Okay, so shelving is done. Carpeting is done. A lot of space. Okay. Really nice. I love this. Good stuff. So, we got our mirror, the lighting fixtures, the countertops. This is quality. Magnetic thing. Good stuff. Top quality. Good stuff. All right, and there, I think we're still waiting for the tab, for the handle. Got a place to hang your towel. Everything has been spray painted. We're getting there. All right, Mike. Good stuff.